I'm Luann Parker, and today we are going to use Dixie Shine. Dixie Shine is a foil that we can apply to all of our different projects just to give it a little extra pizzazz, and it comes in gold, silver, red, and copper. All right, before we get started, let's make sure we've already selected your project piece. You have a color in mind using the Dixie Shine, and you have the Stick With Me glue. This is very important. These must be used together. Now, not only will you need this, but you will also need a little artist paintbrush because you're going to use that to apply the glue and then ultimately the shine. The best part here is shine can go on just about anything. Wood, ceramic, shells, plastic, you name it. As long as you use Stick With Me, you can use shine. All right, we are ready to use our Dixie Shine. So first things first, we're gonna set the shine off to the side. That is actually our last step. We're gonna start first with the Stick With Me adhesive. This glue is going to be just lightly applied with a brush. I like using our Dixie Belle artist brush, and you can wash the glue out, not a problem. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on my brush, and then I am going to gently just wipe the area with my brush and apply it just where I want the gold, in my case I'm using gold, shine to show. I don't want to put it everywhere. Just where I want my shine, that's where I'm going to apply my glue. Now, here's the key. This has to sit up for at least 15 minutes. The whole point is you want the glue to get just tacky enough for the foil to adhere. So go ahead, apply your glue, let it set up. Now, I've already done that on the back. So we are ready to use Dixie Shine. So we will open it up. It comes in a roll with a little bit of tape on it. And what you're going to do is you're gonna unroll just a portion, however much you wanna use. You don't have to unroll a whole bunch, and you're gonna cut it. Once you cut it, we're going to basically apply it to the area that you went ahead already and put your glue. Now, the shiny side is going to be facing you. And all we have to do is press it down. Once you're done, you pull it off and you have a little bit of shine. And there you have it. My little finished riser is adorable. I have used my Dixie Shine in gold, using obviously along with it the Stick With Me. Now, you might be wondering, hey Luann, how come it's just a little bit? It's not a full coverage. That's because I purposely wanted just to hit the tops of that beadwork. If you wanted a more solid coverage, you would apply Stick With Me into all those nooks and crannies. Let it set up for its normal minimum 15 minutes. Put your shine and really push it into those nooks and crannies. Now, let's say you've done it and you still want more shine. It's okay, let it dry, give it at least a day. Go back in, apply your Stick With Me in those nooks and crannies where you want to add a little more shine, and go ahead and cut a new strip and apply it. But it's really easy to use, and guess what? It just adds a little extra pizzazz, a little embellishment, and you can use it on even hardware. You can use it on any project you just want to give a little extra something to.